Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Zendrop for dropshipping on Shopify. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to need you to go to your computer browser and head on to the Shopify website. That's www.shopify.com. And now once you're in the Shopify website, head on to login. So log into your account, or just select sign up now if you don't have an account yet. So I'm just going to click on login since I already have an account, and go to the store that you want to dropship with. So I'm going to choose this store right here. And next, once you're in your Shopify website or in your Shopify store, head on to apps right here and click on type to find apps search bar and just search for Zendrop. So as you can see, just click on search for Zendrop in the Shopify app store. And now once you're in the Shopify app store, just click on this application that says Zendrop Global Dropshipping. So I'm just going to click on that. And once you've done that, mind you, a free plan is available for 7 days free trial. So after 7 days, additional charges may apply. So just click on add app right there. And once you've done that, you need to integrate your store to Zendrop. So just click on install app right here. And there you have it. Your Shopify store and Zendrop is now connected. So once you've done that, it will head on to your Zendrop, and now you're almost set. Just click on it. Just input a password. So I'm just going to input the password of my choice right here. And now just log in or input your phone number. Just choose the area code where you are right now. So currently I'm in the Philippines. I'm just going to import my phone number and click on sign up. So once you've done that, I've already signed up into my Zendrop. So now I'm gonna let you see how to import a product from Zendrop to Shopify. So as you can see right here on the left side menu, just click on import list right here, and as you can see, my import list is still empty. So I'm just gonna click on find products right here. So right here, I'm just gonna find a product that I want to dropship. So we are selling coffee related products on my Shopify store. So I'm just gonna search for coffee makers like that. And here, if you want to import a product to Shopify, just click on add to import list right here. There you go. And once you've done that, go back to your import list, and there you have it. You have now imported a product. So under the product, you can change the product name of your choice, like the portable coffee pot machine. So I'm just gonna leave it on that is. And the product tag, it's coffee maker, the AeroPress, and the filter gloss. So once a potential customer will search for this potentially your product will be visible on the search menu or the search results. So product type, I'm just gonna say coffee maker. So under collection, novelty and special use, you can just put home and kitchen right here. There you have it. And now once you've done that, on the product page, go to the description, and as you can see right here, you don't need to change anything. Or if you want to change anything, if you have your own idea of the description you're selling, you can just drag on this and delete on this real quick. So for now, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. And now on the variants page, as you can see, there is only one variant. So the color is the coffee fillet set, and the product cost is around $11.50, and the shipping costs $13.24. So the sales price is around $77.68. You can change that if you want. So for now, I think we are just starting, so I'm just gonna leave it on that is. And the profit you will be gaining if you sell one of this, or if someone orders one of this, is around 52.94. So I think it's a good bargain if you ask me. A profit of 52.94 is not that bad. And now under images, you can just select an image that you want to view for your shop. So I'm just gonna leave all this image because the image right here is very nice. And then click on more actions. So if you want to remove a product, you can do that, or you can select product to override. So for now, I'm just gonna do nothing. And now once you've done that, just click on import to store. So please read, they have some inventory reminders and some production cycle delays. And if you've done that, just click on this, got it, please don't display this image again, and click on confirm. So as you can see, your product is being imported. You can see the progress on the import products page. So once I go to the imported products, as you can see right here, my portable coffee from the Zendrop is now on Shopify. So I'm just gonna go to my Shopify store and go to products. As you can see right here, a portable coffee machine is now added into my Shopify store. So I'm just gonna click on this real quick to let you see the description right here, the media that we have just done from Zendrop, and the variants right here. So once my potential customer will go to my store, I'm just gonna click on view my online store right here. And as you can see right here, and there you go, a portable coffee pot machine is now visible in my products. So once your customer will go to your store, they will see the product that you just drop shipped from Zendrop. So once they click on that, they can order like that, and they can choose how many they want, and they can add to cart, and they can check out. And there you have it. It's as very simple as that. So that's it for this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you do, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for more contents like this. Bye!